Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best tech products on the market. Today, we are diving into one of the most powerful processors from AMD, the Ryzen 7 5800X. This is undoubtedly one of the best AMD processors, offering elite performance for gamers and creators alike. Let's take a closer look at why this processor has become a favorite in the tech community. First off, the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X is an 8-core, 16-thread unlocked desktop processor, built to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. Clocking in at a 4.7 GHz max boost, it's designed to deliver incredible performance whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on intensive applications. The processor supports overclocking, allowing you to push the performance even further to meet your specific needs. This chip is a part of the AMD Ryzen 5000 series, which uses the advanced Zen 3 architecture. What makes the 5800X so impressive is its ability to handle multi-threaded workloads efficiently. Whether you're rendering videos, designing 3D models, or running complex simulations, this processor ensures smooth and fast performance without bottlenecks. Plus, with 36 MB of cache and support for DDR3 memory, it provides exceptional responsiveness and faster data processing. Gaming performance on the 5800X is top-notch. It can easily deliver 100+ FPS in many of the most popular games today. This makes it an ideal choice for those who want a processor that can handle both work and play without compromise. It's optimized for the advanced AM4 platform, offering PCIe 4.0 support on X570 and B550 motherboards, making it future-proof for high-speed storage and next-gen GPU support. However, do note that the cooler is not included with the processor, so you'll need to pick up a high-performance cooler to ensure optimal temperature management. Keeping your processor cool under load is essential for maintaining high performance, especially when overclocking. The Ryzen 7 5800X is built for enthusiasts who demand the best in performance. Its price point may be a bit higher than some entry-level options, but the sheer power and longevity it offers make it a worthwhile investment for serious gamers and professionals. Overall, the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X delivers a solid mix of performance, efficiency, and future-proofing. If you're building a high-performance PC or looking to upgrade your existing setup, this processor should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations.